Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I plan to generate some sales using this platform called ShineOn.com, right? So the best time to sell any kind of product is when people are buying, okay? So right now, Mother's Day is coming up in 2 weeks. And so what I'm doing is I am going to create some Facebook ads and then sell some of these, customized products on Facebook, right? Using this platform called ShineOn. And you really don't need Shopify. You don't need any other store for that matter. You can just use ShineOn, which is amazing. So I'll just show you the platform. And I've actually I tried this, I created some ads probably about 2 months ago, and for Valentine's Day actually. And I generated a sale, but then, I was kind of late on Valentine's Day, so I didn't move forward. So you can see I actually have a payout. Let me see, when was this all time? So I generated one sale at 42 bucks. This was, yeah, during Valentine's Day, right? So you can see here. Now I'm going to show you guys how I am going to go about, plan to generate some sales for this coming holiday, for this coming Mother's Day. Sorry, for this coming Mother's Day. Okay, so let me show you guys. I'm actually going to create some designs. So what I did was, if you go over here to catalogs, okay, we're going to create a design. And what I want to do is I want to sell this necklace with this one right here. Oh, this one's actually nice too. Yeah, double heart necklace. Okay, so the double heart necklace starts at $13.99, but you can sell this product for what, $49.99, $39.99. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is the product that I'm going to sell. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go on ShineOn and get some of their pre-made designs. Okay, so they have a catalog, which is pretty cool, with some pre-made designs, and I actually downloaded some. So I'm actually going to show you guys the one that I downloaded, and it's over here. Mother's Day live design. Let's see, was it? So this is the one. This one is really nice. Oh wow. And I'm actually going to change my background to this dark blue background. So let me show you guys what I did, right? So this is the one that I'm designing right now. So what I did is I downloaded this PSD file. Okay, and I'm actually editing it right here. Okay, so here it is. This is the design that I'm using, and as you can see, this is the original, right? Mother-in-law, I just removed that and I added my own text, right? So over here with the text, I just went over here. You can see the font that I'm using is this Apple Chancery, okay? And then what I did was, this is the original quote. Let me show you guys something pretty cool, right? So here's the original quote. Let me remove my quote. So this is, boom, that's the original quote. When I fell in love with your son, I was falling in love with the boy you raised into a credible man. Thank you for always welcoming into the family, right? So I actually changed that, and what I did was I went onto the website hallmark.com. Okay, so if you go to hallmark.com, this is a really cool hack. You can go and let's look at Mother's Day cards, right? And what I did was I found the one top rated. So we're going to sort by the top rated cards. Okay, and the best grandma ever. Happy Mother's Day, sister. Oh, that's good. Find a few minutes to sit back, relax, and feel loved because you are. Enjoy your special day. Oh, that's really good. So I might use this one for sisters. So, but not only on Mother's Day. So you can find a quote. I forget which one it is that I grabbed. So what I did, celebrating you and all the good things you do as a mom and all the happiness you bring to our family just by being yourself, right? So actually, you know what? I like that one. I like this text. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, all right. And this is probably hard to read, so I might change the font on this. Let me try to change that to, here it goes. Yeah, that looks better, right? It's, it's much more readable. So, you know what? I'm just going to go with this design, with this font, with this text, sorry, quote. I'm going to go with this quote. Let me just move it a little bit down. So, there we go. All right. Maybe a little bit up. What do you guys think? like that. All right, so boom, and I'm gonna change this background because I really like the dark blue background. So let me do that. Let's go to this layer right here and let's change the color. Let's see, here we go. Color fills, let's do, no, let's do a little bit darker, right? A little darker blue. Here we go. Oh wow, that looks great. Okay. To the best mom, today is a good day to honor you, a wonderful woman who's always thinking of ways to make life better for others. What a gift you are. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, that's good. So what we're gonna do is now we got this. Oh, actually, that's even better. Look at that blue. All right, so I'm gonna export this. We're gonna use this image. So let's go ahead and export, right? To the best mom. And then we're gonna make this dark blue, right? Dark blue, export. Let's go back on ShineOn now. If we go back to ShineOn, and you can see this is where, and I'll just actually, I'll redo it again. So let's go back to this one, okay? So this one's actually the double-hearted product. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select, and here it goes. Now check this out. Continue to product assets. Wow, that looks, look at that. That looks great. Limited edition. Pendant with chain, right? So we're just gonna leave that limited edition double heart, 14 karat, maybe 14 karat white gold. Mothers. So let's do limited edition mothers double heart. So that's good. And here's our resale value, right? So we're buying it at $13.90. We are reselling it at $49.95. And then if they have the option of buying the box, we can do that. It'll be $59.95. Okay. So here you would put your Facebook pixel, okay, and then gifts for mom, okay, and then that's basically it. Now your product pages on ShineOn, or you can actually install the app on your Shopify store, which I'm also going to be doing, and I'm going to be, and the reason is because I'm going to, from my Shopify store, I'm going to push it over to Etsy, okay, and then sell these products on Etsy and Walmart and all types of different platforms you can sell these products on. Okay, so here we go. Let's go to my products. Where's my product now? Something just, let's see, maybe the top sellers? No. All products. Where's the product I just created? No. All right, for some reason it didn't save it, so let's create it again. It's weird. And this is the one I created earlier, so we'll create this one. Select the image to the best mom. Man, that's a really nice message. And then we can also customize this message, right? So, and I'll show you, actually, I'll save that for another video, showing you how to customize it with Shopify. So that way the customer, when they order, they can enter their own message, right? So let's go to the best mom. All right, so there goes that. And then, okay, let's see. All right, there it is. So, oh, here goes the one that we were looking for earlier, right? So just, I guess I was just being impatient. So let's look at this product now. All right, and now we have our product, which now look at, we have testimonials for us. Look how cool this is, right? Highly optimized website. And now we just go to Facebook and we'll start advertising this product. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.